Hello, people. Today we are going to talk about Adobe India Women in Technology Scholarship. और these are the scholarship details. You can check out on the link. ठीक है, ये एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया है, देख लो एक बार अच्छे से. लास्ट डेट इसकी 22 अगस्त है और ये सारी चीज़ें हमें चाहिएंगी. ऐसे रिज्यूमे, लेटर ऑफ रिकमेंडेशन, देन हमारी मार्कशीट्स और थोड़ी सी और चीज़ें, और ये कुछ टर्म्स एंड कंडीशंस है. So I invited Sneha D. She's a Adobe Wit Scholar 2020, so that she can tell us and give us some tips. So let's welcome Sneha D.
Thank you for having me. It's really good to be here.
How to make our application stand out. So we have like 5 questions this year.
Right.
These are the questions. Everyone have to answer these questions. I am guessing like this is going to contain the maximum weightage and then the LOR thing. So how can we make ourselves stand out, because these are only 1,000 words. Every question have a limit of 200 words. So we have to make maximum impact in those words.
Yeah. So one of the, again, first I will address the misconceptions. So please don't ask like someone who has already got the scholarship. Like this happened with me during like outreachy applications, that people are asking me for my essays. I'm like, what are you going to do with them? They are not your personal story. So don't like, just ऐसे आँख बंद करके copy paste कर लिया, ऐसे मत करो. This is not the right way to write your essays. Think about that question. Actually go back. तुम्हारा जब शुरू हुआ था कॉलेज, तुम्हारे साथ क्या इंसिडेंट्स हुआ है, या फिर उसके पहले भी जो भी क्वेश्चंस थे, लेट्स स्टार्ट फ्रॉम लाइक बहुत पहले से. बिल्कुल मेक श्योर दैट इट्स वेरी पर्सनल टू योर लाइफ. मेक श्योर दैट इट इज वेरी ऑनेस्ट. यू आर नॉट लाइक कुछ भी ऐसे लिख दिया दैट डिड नॉट हैपन. ऐसे मत करो. एंड द रीजन व्हाई आई से दिस इज बिकॉज इन योर इंटरव्यू दे विल आस्क यू दीज क्वेश्चंस अगेन एंड दे विल लाइक emphasize on कि क्या था वो ये वो. तो तुम ऐसे कुछ bluff करोगे, so it's not gonna work. So don't do that thing. And if we are coming to कि exactly कैसे करना है, first of all, like if we take the question of like there's less representation of women in the tech or whatever. There was one question like that. So think about it. तुम कॉलेज में गए, you were in technical clubs. तुम्हारा क्या रोल था वहाँ पे? Did you feel like वहाँ पे कम लोग थे, कम women थे, कम like different sections के उतना representation नहीं था, more like largely male dominated था? How did that make you feel? Did you feel that you could speak up? If you could not feel like हाँ मैं express कर पा रही हूँ अपने आप को कि नहीं, तो तुमने क्या उसके लिए कोई solution किया? मतलब did you like join clubs, create clubs where you can come together and discuss? तुमने क्या कोई community ऐसे बनाई? So these are all the things that you can think of इस situation में. If you participated in hackathons, what was your experience like वहाँ पे? हर कोई बहुत ऐसे इंसिडेंट्स होते हैं आई थिंक जो तुम कभी नहीं सोचते, बट दीज आर इंसिडेंट्स दैट यू कैन हाईलाइट दैट मेक द अदर पर्सन अंडरस्टैंड कि हाँ कैसे लेस रिप्रेजेंटेशन रहा है. सो मेक श्योर दैट द स्टोरीज आर वेरी पर्सनल टू यू एंड इट डज नॉट हैव टू बी समथिंग जो बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल हो. मतलब कुछ बहुत बड़ी चीज नहीं होनी चाहिए, बट इट शुड बी इम्पैक्टफुल टू यू एंड यू शुड बी एबल टू पुट दैट इमोशन अक्रॉस. वन मोर थिंग, प्लीज गाइज डोंट थिंक कि you have to like बहुत अच्छा English use करना है, बहुत बड़े बड़े words. That is not required. Just make sure कि there are like no grammatical errors. Just use some tool to correct that. But make sure कि it's just something that is true. It's something of your own. Doesn't have to be बहुत ही ज़्यादा amazing read या ऐसे कुछ. That is all I would say. As far as if it comes to standing out, one thing that I do personally, I don't know about if this is the right way to do. Keep some values in your mind. So for every person कुछ एक दो values होते हैं जिसके वजह से वो कोई चीजें करता है. ठीक है, तो अगर तुमने अपना application इस way में shape किया, not just for this application, for all the applications that you ever will do, इसकी suppose if you think that I'm a person who wants to engage people, I'm a person who wants to build a community, तो तुमने वो कैसे किया? तुम उस value से तुमने कैसे चीजें आगे बढ़ाएं? ऐसे अगर तुम सोच के कोई भी चीज फ्रेम करोगे, आई थिंक यू विल गेट अ रियली सॉलिड concrete ground to write your essays on. So yeah, that I would suggest is my like recommendation. So
yeah, one thing I personally do is, if I have like word limit of say 200 words, so what I will do is I will at least write 400 words for my first draft, and then I will try to compress that information in 200 words. So so that I don't have first going around in my application. They have like one line should have a lot of information. There should be no extra words and filler words in the application. This is what I like to do, because even if the answer is 1,000 words, say, so
Yeah.
if I am just thinking of 1,000 words, I will think a lot of stuff which I don't need in those 1,000 words. But if I have to write 2,000 words, I will think of all the different things, because इतना सारा कैसे लिखूंगी, थोड़ा सा है तो कुछ भी लिख दिया, पर इतना सारे तो सब कुछ सोचना पड़ेगा. उसके बाद उन 2,000 में से जब आपको 1,000 काटने पड़ेंगे, तो आपको अपने आप प्रायोरिटी मिल जाएगी कि ये नहीं इसके लिए जम रहा, बट दीज आर द बेस्ट थिंग्स जो कि एक्चुअल में मैटर कर रही हैं. सो दिस इज समथिंग.
I think that's an excellent point that you make. Like, start your applications early. Like, reiterate over them 3 or 4 times until it, like, feel like, okay, I'm satisfied with this. You can submit it. So.
या डेफिनेटली ये मैं जरूर कहना चाहूंगी कि कम से कम एक वीक पहले स्टार्ट करो, ऐसा कभी मत करो. मोस्ट ऑफ माई फ्रेंड्स डू दिस. आई ऑल्सो डिड इट समटाइम्स, बट अब मुझे तो काफी अच्छे से अकल आ चुकी है कि मतलब लास्ट दिन जब याद आता है ना कि ओहो कल डेडलाइन है, तो आज लिख रहे हैं बैठ के, एंड फिर वो बिल्कुल कचरा होता है. लाइक ऑब्वियसली फर्स्ट टाइम में आप अच्छा नहीं लिख पाते हो. सो वही है. या एक और थिंग कि एज यू सेड कि इंग्लिश कोई बहुत अच्छी नहीं होनी चाहिए आपकी. सो यू कैन यूज ग्रामरली फॉर द एडिटिंग पार्ट. जो थोड़ी बहुत वो है वो से वो कर पाएगा. एंड इवन लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ यू विल नॉट हैव लाइक ग्रामरली का प्रीमियम एडिशन, and if you need that, you can call your IITian friends. They get it for free with their email IDs, so you can always get that. I have Grammarly premium subscription with the friend, because of one friend of mine. So yeah. This is a great tip. Hacks, engineering hacks. Okay, any other thing you would like to say about this application particularly?
I think one thing that we not cover is the resume. So make sure your resume is very crisp. मतलब it's like 1 page, उससे ज़्यादा मत करो. But उसमें बहुत अच्छे से you are able to cover all the points, and जिस point को जितना प्रायोरिटी देना है उतना ही दो. मतलब कोई बहुत फालतू point में बहुत तुमने emphasize करके लिखा भर दिया resume, but does not make a lot of sense. And also make sure that you don't just cover like academic things. You also cover your like technical positions, voluntary experiences, everything. It matters as a whole. So these two things, or any achievements that you had, it can be very simple, like hackathon wins or anything within your college also, because after all it all matters. So like try to make sure that the resume is also very appealing. So yeah.
Okay, so I was thinking like वैसे तो my normal resume, it is like कि work experience, then projects, then my like technologies, and then I have community work. So I was thinking I can restructure it to put community work up, and then my experiences and education up, because I have education at the lowest in my resume. So I was thinking of restructuring it. What do you think about it? Should I do it? Is it a good idea?
So I think
keep education and community work up.
I think like if your community work is very like substantial, like अगर तुमने open source community साथ काम किया है या फिर कोई बहुत reputed clubs के साथ काम किया है, तो definitely it counts, because it shows कि तुम्हारा कितना well-rounded experience है. Don't write like बहुत technical fest में हमने कुछ organize किया था. That's not that big of a deal. So make sure तुम prioritize करके उसको सही से कर पा रहे हो. Some of these things you can actually take under work experience, and also you can make it into one thing. So you can like do that. But हाँ, first make sure that तुम्हारे technicals actually cover हो रहे हैं सारे. ऐसे नहीं कि community work के चक्कर में you missed out on the technicals, and then you can like structure all of these other things.
And we can also do this कि जैसे आपने बताया था कि एक values mind में रख के चल सकते हैं. So ऐसे ही resume में आपको ये mind में रख के चलना चाहिए कि like क्योंकि ये inclusion और उसको diversity को के लिए है application. So आप कैसे दिखा रहे हो कि आपने लोगों की हेल्प की और आपने कितना ज्यादा लाइक कंट्रीब्यूट किया हर चीज में. लाइक अगर आपने ग्रुप प्रोजेक्ट भी डाल रखे तो आपका कंट्रीब्यूशन उसमें, एक कम्युनिटी के बारे में डाल रखे. तो मैंने इतने सारे रिज्यूमे देखे जिन्होंने कम्युनिटीज के नीचे कम्युनिटीज को सीधा नाम डाल देते थे. आई वाज लाइक तुम कम से कम ये तो बताओ तुमने नेम्स तो मुझे भी पता है,
पता
नेम्स
है।
का क्या है, हाँ वही। सो ये चीजें काफी मैटर कर जाती हैं, अगर मतलब सबको नहीं पता हर चीज, तो लाइक अगर आप
हम्म।
थोड़ा थोड़ा भी चेंजेस करोगे तो आप धीरे धीरे ऊपर आ जाओगे उसमें। सो
Exactly. I think the thing that you said, just to add on it, तुम न्यूमेरिकली भी बता सकते हो लाइक तुम्हारा क्या मतलब प्रेजेंस था, लाइक इफ एनीथिंग कुछ रैंकिंग हो या कोई भी चीज हो, लाइक लोग आईसीपीसी में करते हैं हर चीज में, अगर न्यूमेरिकली यू कैन लाइक मेक श्योर पीपल कैन एक्चुअली स्टेटिस्टिकली सी कि तुम्हारा वहां पे होना कितना इम्प्रूव किया उस चीज को
कितना,
या
हाँ
ऐसे, तो
हाँ
मेक श्योर दैट यू कैन ऑल्सो एड दैट।
हाँ। I have see like I have listened to this a lot of times कि whenever you are mentioning कि you mentored someone or you helped someone, actually put it in numbers, like you mentored 30 plus students. So this question was always in my back of my mind कि यार 30 plus student, 30 तो इतना छोटा सा नंबर है, बट एक बंदा कह रहा है कि आई मेंटर्ड फ्यू स्टूडेंट्स, एक बंदा कह रहा है आई मेंटर्ड 30 प्लस
Hmm.
स्टूडेंट्स। सो 30
Yeah.
plus makes a lot of more sense than a few students, or you know. So
Yeah.
I got it now. So we should put numbers, actually it actually helps. And if you can put the links of the things you have done, like if you have
Absolutely.
like as we have a society website where like college club
Hmm.
website, so there I have my photo over there, so I
Yeah.
always put that link in the resume so that if even if they click there, they can see that okay, she is
See.
there and I can see
Yeah.
her work.
That's very smart. That's very smart. But
Yeah.
yeah, and if you guys like, I personally really am into open source. Like GitHub pe to sab dalo. All the projects that you make, put it on GitHub. Someone is always looking at your GitHub, so make sure you link it everywhere. And yeah, that's a really good thing that you can do. So people can, because when you progress on to the next step of this like process, then you will have interviews and everything. They will actually look at your code and stuff. So make sure that you put GitHub links also.
Okay, got it. Any other thing about the application, this or anything in general, because this is the year, like these are the only 2 years when we get a lot of applications to fill on and a lot of essays to write on. So any,
Oh God, that is such a loaded question. ये कुछ भी answer हो सकता है इसका.
yeah.
One thing that I never thought that I would get this scholarship, but apply. Like आँख बंद करके apply everywhere. Whatever thing that is there, you never know. Like you really think you underestimate yourself a lot. So apply for all the opportunities you have, and for to like take one or two things. It can be like if you're interested if you're interested in cybersec, if you're interested in machine learning, और उसको पकड़ के उसमें तुम बेटर होने की कोशिश करो इंस्टेड ऑफ लाइक डैबलिंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. वो भी करो, स्टार्टिंग में ट्राई करो, बट फिर जस्ट लाइक पिक समथिंग, ट्राई टू वर्क ऑन इट, एंड देन तुम्हें जैसे अभी आई थिंक तेजोस वगैरह इनके भी सब क्रिप्टो ब्लॉकचेन इसके भी अभी बहुत सारे फेलोशिप्स आ रहे हैं, तो बहुत
Uh-huh.
बहुत एवेन्यूज हैं. लाइक स्पेस टेक्नोलॉजीज के भी बहुत ओपन सोर्स प्रोग्राम्स है इफ यू लुक फॉर इट. सो ऐसे बहुत चीजें तुम्हें मिल जाएंगी अगर तुम ढूंढोगे. तो जस्ट पिक समथिंग, वर्क फॉर इट, एंड होंगी चीजें आई गेस. तो
या सो व्हाट यू आर सेइंग इज कि कम से कम एक चीज में अबव एवरेज रहो, ये नहीं कि सब में एवरेज,
या
सो दैट यू नो कि
हाँ
अच्छा अगर कोई पूछे एरिया ऑफ एक्सपर्टाइज, तो दिस इज माय एरिया, दिस इज माय फील्ड, यू
या
नो.
या
Got it. And also the like the interview part, वैसे तो we will cover about the interview another time after the applications are over and results are there, but for the interview, is it technical one or like the normal scholarship interviews?
it's a balance of both, I would say. So for
Oh.
me, it was, yeah, they do ask you like in-depth project questions also. So they will ask you like the essay answers that you wrote. So they'll ask you about, okay, थोड़ा इस पे ज़्यादा बताओ, like what exactly, like suppose that's the incident question जो तुम्हारे साथ हुआ था. So they will ask you, हाँ बताओ इस incident पे, or what happened with you ऐसे. And then they can also be, they look at the projects, they will ask you to, okay, if this is a technology that you used, then why did you use this as the primary key, not this and this? So it can be like technical questions also. So just have an overlook of your projects before the internship, like interview. But it's not that like difficult. If तुमने ही वो project बनाया है और like तुम्हारा अच्छा खासा उसमें वो था, तो you will be like able to sail through it quite easily. So yeah.
Okay, I had one more question. Why do they select so few people? Only six
About
people. IT interns maybe.
Yeah, I think that because they have a very rigorous process. Like first you do this. This is, as you mentioned, this is a process that requires an LOR. Iske pehle, I don't think scholarships have seen LOR and stuff. So they require like the screening process, essays, LOR, resumes. Then you have interview rounds, multiple interview rounds. So it can differ. Like I had three, some people had two. So it's a very rigorous process that they want to make sure that the final recipients of the scholarship are actually very much like in tune with what they stand for, academic excellence as well as like leadership skills and abilities. So yeah, that's all I can say.
That's great. Thanks a lot, Dee, for your time. And I really, really appreciate that. And I know that these tips are going to be really, really helpful because even I have to fill the application and I know that I really needed this talk with you. So we will see you all super soon. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
And comment down below if you need anything, any more question for Snehadi, and I will get them back to you. Okay. Peace.
Bye. Thank you.